Kumusta ka, pare? How are you? This is your bike?
No, this is my uncle.
Your uncle?
Sir, we have a single motorbike.
How much?
You right?
How much? How much? How much? Hey bro, how are you? Can you bring me to the windmill up?
We have motorbike over there.
But how much? How much, boss?
You took the...
This will be interesting. This will be interesting to find someone. That's the point. I don't have any more money. 350 is the last cash that I have, so we need to find someone who will be okay to bring us up. Maybe this guy to drive me yet. Hopefully we're gonna find someone soon, very soon. We need to find someone very soon because drive. We need to find very soon because the sunset is coming down. And I didn't try like Maxim or Joyride because I think here they don't have this application for driving. You know the place, huh?
Yeah, Onion, Pagdawa.
Okay, yeah, let's follow this. Like Nibas Wind Farm.
Nabas.
Nabas Wind Farm, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Nice guys, we find someone who is willing to do for 350, so yeah. And yeah, like bike route, very new and very good. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes.
You vlogger, sir?
Yes, boss. Kumusta ka, pare? Okay lang?
Can I subscribe?
Yes, boss. RT in the Philippines.
What's it?
RT in the Philippines. It's good. Okay. You too, bro. Thank you. Bro. Windmill. We go to windmill.
Your car.
You both, thank you so much. Looks like this is the restricted area, so we need to go past by behind, you know, and to go behind it. Yeah, but look this gorgeous view, man. Gonna be here, boss. You wait here? Okay. Opa. Hey bro, what's up, bro? Where is the best place for the pictures here on this?
Yes.
This is the place?
Yes, sir.
There is no other place. This place is the best, huh?
Yeah.
For pictures, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just, you know, let's just ask a few times to be sure that this is the best place here around. Oh, kumusta ka? Okay lang. Okay lang. Hey pare, what's up pare? Hello. It was so cool to go here, man. Like, whoa. Hey. Kumusta ka? How are you? Okay lang? Okay lang? Yeah. A bit with the cows here, you know. And the perfect timing for the sunset. Wow. Flying the drone will be so epic now, man. Yeah, we have like small cow. Okay, we'll not disturb the small cow. Come. Oh, kind of afraid, but not afraid. So cute though. Sorry, mom. Yeah, guys, we're gonna have the perfect sunset here with the beautiful hills there. We can see the Boracay. It's still so crowded because so many boats there. And we have a bit few windmills here on this side. And we have like pretty epic mountains there on the top. And we have this small hut. And these kids have really good view. That school down here, really nice view. And there is some village here down. Here is the hut. Let's see if there is something inside. If there is someone inside. Oh, no. Looks like it's old and no one using it anymore. Yeah, I think we just have like, 10 minutes before sunset. So when the sun touches the horizon, I will bring out my drone and then we're gonna fly just away here from here till the Boracay. Hopefully I will not fly too close, to the windmill, so it will not destroy my drone. And we're gonna try to go around these beautiful hills there. And this moment we're just gonna chill here with the cows. Hey cow. He's just staring at me, thinking what the hell this guy is doing here.
Bus is that one.
Nabas?
Yeah.
And these hills also look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at this hill,
Look at
man.
over there. That is Carabao Island.
Carabao, huh?
Carabao Island. That one is Boracay.
Boracay?
Oh, yeah.
And then after that is Carabao.
Boracay. That one is Romblon. Over there.
It's beautiful, so beautiful. So beautiful.
Overlooking.
Yes. I'm 3 months here, boss. 3 months, yes. I was 2 months in Manila and 1 month in Cebu. Yes, we go, boss. Thank you for bringing me here. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Just look at this beautiful view behind.
Sir, in Hinugtan.
Yeah, just look at the scenery. Wow, man. Wow. On the video you cannot just imagine how gorgeous is this. Yeah, guys, we're just walking down and you cannot imagine how beautiful it is, like sunset over the ocean and over this Boracay with this perfect windmills here. Damn. epic sunset. Just epic sunset. And timing is perfect because we have a bit, you know, a bit light on the road, so we can go down safely. Just thank you for driving us safe and bringing us on the same location. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, guys, we're back in the city on the same place we started, you know. The point is we have flight in 6 a.m. and so we have full night in this area. Let's see what we can do. No, walking here, walking. I have flight 6 a.m. so I don't know what to do. Bar, club, something.
Bar club?
Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe. Anyway.
Yes.
Thank you. Huh? That part? I walk down. Maybe I'll find something. Oh guys, this will be very interesting to see what to do in this small town across the Boracay. Okay, let's see. Because there is too many workers for
You want
zero.
motorbike?
Huh?
Motorbike going Boracay?
No.
Okay.
No, there is too many workers for only me tourists here. There is no
okay.
tourists here.
Tourist?
Where is the bar? There is bar?
Bar?
Where?
Navas.
Navas.
Oh.
Dancing girl, do you like?
Bugtong Bato?
Oh, very nice.
Bato?
Very nice. Where is that?
Bugtong Bato?
Buktu?
Yeah. The name of
What's the name? Navas?
Yes.
Over there. Very near.
Navas. Huh? Very near, huh?
I think 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes walk.
No. Ride.
And there is something down?
Motor ride.
Nabas.
Yeah.
Nabas?
Oh, boundary of Malay. Malay.
Airport and then Navas.
Is there something down? There is something down?
No, sir.
There is nothing down? This is so small town, huh?
Huh?
Very small.
Smoke further. You want the smoke?
No, small town.
Small town.
Small town, very small town, huh? What is this? Lechon, huh?
Ito na bayan niya i-organizer. It's only barangay.
Where is the pizza? There is a good pizza. Where?
Barrio.
Where is pizza?
In the front of Petron. Pizza, yes.
This side or left side?
Street. The street.
Thank you, boss. So Navas, huh? Navas.
You want go there?
I will walk. I don't have nothing to do.
Maybe
I don't have nothing to
1
do.
hour.
1 hour of walk.
You walk.
Let me grab pizza. Then I will go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And pizza is 5 minutes walk.
Straight ahead. Then you see the Petron there.
Thank you.
We have
Thank you, boss.
girl there. You want to drink? Yeah.
Where?
Here inside we have readers.
No, they say Navas. Navas is good. Navas, huh?
You want to go there?
I go?
Your motorbike?
No, I walk. Motorbike
You
here,
walk?
motorbike here.
You walk?
No, I grab pizza.
Maybe 1 hour.
Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you. You drive motorbike?
Yeah. I drive motorbike. Where you going, sir?
I walk. Yeah, there is too many people. They need work, and there is no one of the tourists here, you know. Again, no. Like, you know, too many people need work here, and too little tourists. Actually, no one is here. Yeah. Let's go down the street, then we're gonna go around. Oh yeah, we are stuck in this place. Guys, let's go Boracay. Oh, this guy is crazy, huh? Hey, bro, you're not joking around, huh? Let's go. Oh man. Oh, you're a good driver. Oh, you're very good. Damn. And this is good bike, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, empty streets, empty streets, empty city. Boracay. Thank you. So yeah, guys, we came to this club that is kind of. Huh? What?
No, full bite. This one?
Yeah, I'll drink here. If maybe he will drop me till there. Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you. So yeah, guys, we came to the most rural bar possible. Like you have like, you know, like small huts. You have like KTM, and you have like, you know, like just a bit lights, and everything is wooden. There is kind of, you know, bar and everything. Like it's kind of cool and rural, bro. Let's grab a few drinks before we have our flight back to Cebu. This will be very nice to hear you sing. Soldier of Fortune. What about you, bro? You sing? You sing? You sing? No? It's okay, bros.
Time is approximately an hour and 20 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case